So here is the effective hog fencing that I built for my feeder. Of course, giving the deer plenty of room inside the fence, even for my food plot, to have the hogs leave them alone. We've got a real bad hog problem here in North Texas. So this fence is pretty easy to install. It's just hog panels. I think they're 32, 34 inches. And I just use common garden stakes, 4-footers, lightweight, from Tractor Supply. And they're cheap and they're the right height, so you don't have a lot of stakes sticking up over your fence, your enclosure, to make it look okay as well. And it works out really good. I've had it up for a year, haven't had a hog get in here yet. You can see my food plots. The hairy vetch has really taken to the fence and kind of made a little barrier too. And every once in a while, you cut it down from 34 inches to 28 inches so the fawns can jump over it. And they get in here just as easily, all spotted up. I see them in here all the time. So it's a pretty effective way to do it. When the ground's wet, you can put the stakes in with a regular T-post slammer in about 2 pops, and they're in enough. And it works out really well.